Hi, it's me Vamp, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a special unboxing, and that is this. This is the MacBook Air. Not just any MacBook Air, my very first MacBook Air, my very first MacBook in general. So, let's unbox it. I thought I'd share the experience with you guys. Oh, I'm even excited just unboxing it. Let's unbox it. Oh, ha! Got the plastic off it. If I sound so excited, it's because this is my very first MacBook ever, like I mentioned. Now, I'm using just a silly little webcam I have, so that's why you guys can't see, but I placed it on the table. And now, oh, yeah. Okay, I don't know why, but I'm enjoying this unboxing quite a bit, like a lot. There's even the tab to pull. Oh, it's cold to the touch. Oh, but we'll unbox this part in a moment. We'll unbox the important bit in a moment. Right now, what we need to do is look at everything that's included in the box. Okay, this is very important. This is the charging brick. Apparently it's USB-C to USB-C. Some little paperwork and stuff. Actually, I want to see. I got space gray Apple stickers. I probably won't keep them, but I love that the Apple stickers are space gray. I absolutely love it. Love it. And then here's the charging brick. Let's go ahead, open that. Nice little charging brick we have here. So that's pretty okay. USB-C. Well, I say USB-C, but I believe it's Thunderbolt 3, which just happened to use the same plug as USB-C. Anyway, let's get into it, shall we? Let's go ahead and open this. I never got why people smell their MacBooks, but I get it. I totally get it. Oh, wow. Okay. Ooh. Look, the Apple logo. Ooh, this is very thin too. On the side, you see 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. This is the headphone jack, and I'm going to open it for the first time with you guys. Oof. Oh, did you guys hear that? It's turning on for the first time. Now I'm gonna go set it up and everything. It's currently on my lap. I'm gonna put it on my table. Ooh, this is so light. Okay, just so you guys know, I'll still be using my PC as a main editing. This sub editing, and before my Mac yells at me completely, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.